Good morning, Lana. How are you?
Good morning.
Good morning, Abdurrahman. Good morning, Yusuf. How are you?
Good morning,
thank
teacher.
So you just three. Where is the others? Good morning, Muhammad. How are you?
Good morning, teacher.
Sally, good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, and you?
I'm fine, thanks.
Hi, teacher.
Hi, Joad. How are you?
أستاذ يبعث لينك زوم
Huh?
يبعث لينك زوم وخلصنا الكتاب.
No, we didn't.
جد؟
Yeah.
Oh.
Good morning, Malak. How are you? Malak, how are you, Malak?
Fine.
Great. Hamad, good morning. How are you? Hamad Nasser.
Good morning.
Where's the others? You are so lazy today.
كنا من إن خلصنا المدرسة عشان هيك مش راضيين يفوتوا.
No, we didn't done yet. We have something to do today.
Teacher, today is the last class math.
Yeah,
There is
but on Saturday I will give you a revision.
what?
Okay.
Okay. الامتحان الأخير.
Yes, Yusuf.
I may could not watch this because I go to cover some Saturday or today.
Okay, I will send the video at WhatsApp.
Okay.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, Aus. How are you?
Fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. So today just you are right. So let's start. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. The last time, yesterday, we were talking about the multiples, and we said a multiple of a number that's something like the multiplication table of a number. So if I ask you what are the multiples of 3, give me 5 multiples for the number 3. You told me 3, 6, 9, 11, 15. So these are 5 multiples for the number 3. Another example, for example, what are the multiples? Give me 5 multiples for the number 7. So 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. So these are 5 multiples for the number 7. You see that, everyone? Do you remember that?
Teacher,
Yeah?
may you please, this one I didn't understand. This
What?
one. I didn't understand this one.
Which one?
It's 97.
Which one?
97.
97. What about it?
I didn't understand it.
What's your question? I don't understand you.
Teacher,
What's your question?
I didn't understand number 14.
Number 14. Number 14, which is the number 15. We want to find the first 5 multiples for the number 15. Right? Okay, let's start.
teacher,
Yes, Khaled.
I am here, but
Okay.
I want to.
Now let's start. The first one will be 15, okay? Like the first multiple will be the number itself, which is 15, okay? Second one, 15 times 2, which is 30. Okay? The third one will be 15 times 3, which is what? 45. So 15, 30, 45, these are 3 multiples, okay? Now, what is the fourth one? Now we say that 15, 30, 45, then 60, which is what? Which is 15 times 4, okay?
Okay. Okay.
Always, when you want to find the multiples, just find the multiplication table. So 15 times 1 is 15. 15 times 2 is 30. 15 times 3 equals 45. 15 times 4 will be equal to 60. 15 times 6 will be equal to 75. So these are 5 multiples for the number 15.
Okay.
You understand it?
Yeah. Thank you.
Welcome. Yes, ya Aram. Where's Yamar? Let me see Aram, then you.
Teacher,
Yeah.
now I enter which page?
We're still on page 279, and I was talking about the multiples. Do you understand the multiples? Do you have any problem with the multiples? We say that the multiples of a number, that the multiplication table of that number. Right? That's it. Yes, Yamar.
Just taking the multiples.
Wait. Okay, so we talked about how to find the multiples. Now, the second kind of questions you see in page 279, question 5 and 6. We have like 14,2. What that means, when you ask me like 14,2, that means to ask me, is 14 is a multiple for the 2 or not? That's the question. Is 14 a multiple for 2 or not? Okay? Now, to find out that, let's see that here. The question is like this. 14, 2. That means what? Is 14 a multiple for the 2 or not? Okay? So what I will do here, I will find the multiples of 2. And I will see, can I find 14 one of them or not? So 2, these are multiples of 2. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So yeah, I could find 14 in the multiples of 2. So yes, the answer will be yes. 14 is a multiple for 2. Okay? Did you understand this, everyone? Do you have any problem with this, everyone? Okay, now, number 6, we have what? We have 3, 18. Now, the question is the 3 one multiple for 18 or not? No, the answer is no. Why? Because already 3 less than 18, and the multiples of a number should be equal to this number or more. Okay? But let's find out the multiples of 18. What are the multiples of 18? It's 18, 36, and so on. Okay? Now you can see that we can't find 3 of them, right? Because the 3 is less than 18, and the multiples will be greater than 18. So no, 3 is not a multiple of 18. You see that, everyone? 3 is not multiple for 18. Okay? Now, in exam, I will ask you like this. In exam, I will ask you like this. Tell whether, for example, tell whether like 24 is multiple of 6 or not. Okay, so that's how you will see the question in the exam. Tell whether 14 is a multiple for the 6 or not. So what I will do here, I will find the multiples of 6 and to see is 14 one of them or not. So 6, 12, 18, 24. So yeah, the 24 is one multiple for the 6. So yes, the answer will be yes, 24 is multiple of 6. Do you understand this, everyone? Yes, yeah, Ahmed.
Teacher, I'm sorry I was late.
Okay, it's okay. Do you have a question?
No.
Excellent. So for now, do you have any question about that? A question? Who have a question? Yes, yeah, Khalid.
Teacher,
Yeah?
teacher, good morning.
Good morning.
Teacher, I don't understand.
Which thing you don't understand? The multiples or this one?
This one.
Do you understand the multiples? Now tell me. Give me 5 multiples for the number 4.
5 multiples.
For the number 4.
Okay. 1 times 4.
Excellent, which is equal to 4.
2 times 2.
No. 1 times 4, 4. 2 times 4, 8. 3 times 4, 12. 4 times 4, 16. And 5 times 4 equals 20. So the multiples of the 4 are what? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Right? Do you understand this?
No.
And again, now give me the multiples of the number 5. So what you will do, you will go to the multiplication table of the 5. 5 times 1, 5. 5 times 2, 10. 5 times 3, 15.
Yeah, I understand.
So each time you add
But a 5.
with a 5. And when I told you what are the multiples of the number 2, so each time you add 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on. Okay? Now, this is the first thing. I will ask you an exam. I will ask you something like that. Now, another one. Another way to ask about that. Now, I will ask you, is 11 a multiple for the number 2 or not? Now, how to find that? We will find the multiples of 2 and to see, do we have 11 of them or not? So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Do we have 11?
No.
So 11 is not multiple of 2. You see that?
Yeah.
Another one. Is 27 a multiple for 5 or not? So what I will do now, I will find the multiples of the 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Do we have a 27? We don't have a 27. So the 27 is not multiple for the 5. You understand now?
Yeah.
That's it. A question?
No.
Any question? Yes, Jawad?
Why did you unmute me?
What? Oh, sorry, by mistake. By mistake, sorry. Yes, Jawad? Yeah.
Teacher, I don't understand.
Okay, Jawad. Now, do you understand how to find the multiples of a number? Now tell me, give me 3 multiples for the number 9.
3, 6, 9.
No, the multiples for the number 9. So 9, 18,
9, 18, 27.
yeah. So each time I'm adding 9. You see that?
Okay.
Yeah, now.
Teacher, can you solve one in the board and can I solve it?
Wait.
So I can
No, this is the first question I will ask about. Find the multiples of a number. So another one. Tell me the multiples of the number 6. Wait a minute, wait, I will see you. So 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and so on, okay? Now, this is the first question I will ask about. Give me the multiples of a number, like this, okay? Now, the second question will be like this. Is 15 a multiple of the number 6 or not? Is 15 a multiple for the number 6 or not? So, what you will do here, you will find the multiples of the number 6, and we check, do we have 15 or not? So, 6, 12, 18.
No, we don't have.
We don't have. So, the 15 is not multiple for the number 6. You see
يعني
that?
أستاذ يعني أول شيء الرقم الأول بيكون هو المسيطر والرقم الثاني هو بندور عليه في المultiplication.
Kind of, yeah. Look, let's see this. Is 17 a multiple of the number 3? Okay, so now we find the multiples of the number 3.
Teacher, the answer is no.
The answer is no. Why? Because when we find the multiples of the number 3, 17 is not one of them, right? Because it's a 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So we don't have 17. So 17 is not multiple, so the answer is no. 17 is not multiple for the 3. That's it.
يعني يا أستاذ بندور في جدول الضرب تاع 3 على 17 إذا ما لقيناه نحط نو وإذا لقيناه نحط يس.
Exactly.
أوكي فهمت.
Great. Now let's see Malak.
Teacher, so what you mean is D times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9.
Yeah.
Times
Yes.
that. So we have to multiply 3 or any number.
Yeah.
Yeah, like this.
Or you can think about it in another way. Each time adding 3. So 3 plus 3, 6. Plus 3, 9. Plus 3, 12. Plus 3, 15. Plus 3, and so on. And you can think about it with the multiplication table. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 4, 12. And so on.
Thank you.
You understand now?
Yeah.
Now tell me. Is 16 a multiple for the number 3?
No.
Why? Because the multiples of the 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. We don't have 16, right?
Yeah.
So 16 is not multiple for the number 3. Another one. Tell me, is 19 a multiple for the number 5?
It's what?
Is 19 a multiple for the number 5?
No.
Yes, exactly. Why? Because 5, 10, 15, 20. We don't have 19. Right?
Because the 5 just have 0 or 1.
What do you mean?
Like the multiply of 5, it just has the 0.
You mean like 10?
Like 50, 20.
Yeah. Or 5. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Okay?
Yeah.
So you understand now? When I ask you if a number is a multiple for the other number, you will find the multiples and to check is that number one of them or not.
Okay.
Thank you. Ahmed?
Teacher,
Hi, Ahmed. Question? Do you have a question?
teacher, يا أستاذ أحكي لك بالعربي.
Yeah.
لما بيكون أول رقم 3 والثاني 9 ما بزبط.
Yes. Yes, it can't be done. Yeah.
أما
Now, I will ask you that. Tell me, Ahmed. Tell me, Ahmed. Tell me.
بزبط.
Tell me, Ahmed. Tell me. Is 4 a multiple of 12?
Yeah,
No.
I mean no.
Yeah, what are the multiples of 12? 12, 24, 32, and so on, okay? 36, sorry.
Yeah.
So the 4 is less than 12. So it can't be a multiple for it. You see that?
Yeah.
Because the multiples always will be equal to that number or greater than. Okay?
Yeah.
You have a question now?
No.
Thank you. Yes, Abdullah?
Teacher, I didn't understand this.
Okay, now, Abdullah, give me 5 multiples for the number 2.
5 times. Like what, teacher? This is what I didn't
Okay,
understand.
let's see that. Now, we want 5 multiples for the number 2. So what you will do, you will go to the multiplication table of the number 2. So 2 times 1,
Okay.
2. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times
6.
4, 8. 2 times 5, 10.
10.
And so on. 2 times 6, 12. Okay?
Right.
So these are the multiples of the number 2. Okay? You see that?
Yeah.
Now, tell me what are the multiples of the number 3. So the first one will be 3, right?
Yeah.
Then
3 times 1.
3. 3 times 2.
6.
3 times 3.
9.
3 times 4.
12.
3 times 5.
15.
3 times 6.
18.
So yeah, these are the multiples of the number 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Okay? Now, again,
Yeah.
give me the multiples of the number 5.
Yeah.
So 5 times 1.
5.
5 times 2.
10.
5 times 3.
15.
5 times 4.
20.
5 times 5.
25.
5 times 6.
30.
So these are the multiples. You see that?
Yeah.
Now, do you understand what are the multiples? Now, when I ask you a multiples for any number, you just find the multiplication of that number.
Yeah.
You just find the multiplication table of that number. Is that okay now?
Yeah.
So, in exam, I will ask you like this. To give me 5 multiples for like 7. So you tell me 7 times 1, 7 times 2, 7 times 3, 7 times 4, and 7 times 5. You'll find these numbers. That would be the multiples of the number 7, okay? Now, another question will be like this. Now look, I will ask you, is 9 a multiple for 2? Is 9 a multiple for 2? So what you will do,
No.
you will go and find the multiples of 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Do we have 9 here? Do we have 9 here? Abdullah?
Yeah.
Look. I want to find the multiples. Sorry, I'm asking you now, is 9 a multiple for the number 2 or not?
No.
So what you will do at first, find the multiples of the number 2 and check. Do we have 9, one of them?
No.
No. So 9
We
is
have
not a
8.
multiple for the number
We have
2.
8.
Now, again,
Yeah.
is 10 a multiple for the number 2?
Yeah.
Yes, that's it. Now tell me again, is 9 a multiple for the number 3?
Yeah.
Yes, because when I find the multiples of the 3, we have 3, 6, 9. So yeah, I have 9, right? Now, is 7 a multiple for the number 3?
No.
Exactly, because 3, 6, 9, you don't have 7, right?
Mm.
So that's it. In one question, I will ask you to find the multiples using the multiplication table. In second question, I will ask you, is, like, for example, is 13 a multiple of 5?
No.
No,
What?
because
What?
we have 5, 10, 15. We don't have 13.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that's it. Do you understand now?
Yeah.
Excellent. Thank you. Let's see Aram.
Teacher, you will bring the prime and composite in the
Yeah.
final
Yeah.
exam.
Yes. It's easy. Yes, ya Jawad. Do you have a question, ya Jawad?
No.
Okay, thank you. So, for now, who have a question? Now, we have a special case. The special case, the multiples of the number 1. Now, what are the multiples of the number 1? Look, the 1 is a special case, okay? I won't use the multiplication table for the 1. Or you can use it. Now, 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 3, 3. 1 times 4, 4. 1 times 5, 5. So the multiples of the number 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and so on. These are multiples of the number 1. You see that? The same idea. Use the multiplication table. Okay? Is there any problem with that, everyone? Do you have any question about that? Now, let's take another example. I will ask you something like that. Is 5 a multiple of the number 10? Is 5 a multiple of the number 10? So what I need to find here, I need to find the multiples of the number 10. Okay, so what are the multiples of the number 10? It's 10, 20, 30, and so on. Do we have 5 here on the multiples of the 10? No. So the 5 is not a multiple for the number 10. You see that? 5 is not a multiple for the number 10. Okay? But 10 is a multiple for the 5. Right? Because what are the multiples? What are the multiples of the 5? 5, 10, 15, 20. We have 10. So the 10 is a multiple for the 5. But the 5 is not one multiple of the 10. Why? Because the multiples of the 10 are what? 10, 20, 30, 40. We don't have 5 in the multiples of the 10. You see that, everyone? You see that? So, is there any question? It's easy. It's super easy, right? To find multiples, we just use the multiplication table. Yes, ya Malak.
Teacher,
Yeah.
so you put this in test.
I can't hear you.
You will put this in the test.
What do you mean?
This question you will add it to the test or test.
Yes.
By the way, it's so easy because 10, 20, 30, 40, 50,
Yes, it's so easy.
70, 80, 90, and 100.
Yes, excellent. The whole multiple thing is so easy. You just need to know the multiplication table, that's it. Right?
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. So, for now, do you have any question? Let's see who's here and who's not here. Which grade you are? Are you grade 1? Grade 1 you are? Or grade, oh yeah, you are KG. Okay, okay. Okay, let's see who's here. Aus is here. Hamad Nasser is here. Khalid is here. Abdurrahman Jamal. Abdurrahman is here. Abdurrahman is not here. Okay, Abdurrahman also is not here. Abdullah is here. Ahmed is here. Muhammad here. Omar موجود. جواد موجود. عبد الرحمن جرادات موجود. يوسف موجود. أرام موجودة. لانا موجودة. آية غايبة. هادية موجودة. ويتي هادية I'll see you. هادية موجودة. فرات is not here. سالي موجودة. فرات غايبة. لانا موجودة. نتالي غايبة. ملك خلدون موجودة. Okay, where is هادية؟ خلينا نشوف هادية شو بدها.
أستاذ
Yeah?
بالامتحان حتجيب لنا إحنا حنكتب 10 20 30.
No, it will be multiple choice.
Okay.
Okay? Like the first exam and the second exam, the same thing, multiple choice. Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome. Who have a question now? Omar, we have a question? The diver of the depth. Yes, yeah, diver.
Okay, teacher, I don't have a question except I just want to tell you that I'll miss you on 3 weeks.
What?
I'll miss you on the 3 weeks. That's what
I will miss you all too. Yeah, I will miss you all. In your vacation, we can make like a meeting like this, but without studying.
Okay.
Okay. Maybe we'll play some games.
Only a diver.
Thank you, Omar. Let's see Aus.
Teacher,
Yeah,
I miss you so much.
I will miss you too. Thank you. I will miss you all. Thank you so much. Don't worry. On Saturday we have a revision. I told you, right? On Saturday we will have a revision for the exam. Okay?
Okay.
So this is not the last class. I will see you on Saturday again. Yeah.
Teacher, Saturday is a weekend,
Yes.
but why have a class?
What? Yeah, because it's a revision for you. Your exam on Saturday, on Sunday, right? Your math exam on Sunday.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I will make a revision at Saturday for you.
No.
Yeah, it's for you. It's a revision for you, not for me.
Teacher, that's
Wait, let me see. Yes, Abdullah. خلينا نشوف Abdullah. Abdullah انتحر وهو يرفع ايده.
teacher.
Yeah.
The final is hard or easy?
So hard.
Why?
No, it's so easy, but you need to study. If you study, it will be so easy. If you don't study, it will be so hard. That's it. Okay?
طب أستاذ خلاص افتح لنا الميوت نحكي مجال عادي.
استنى شوي حتى اشوف البقيه بعدين بفتح لكم مجال. Yes, Yamal, do you have a question?
Teacher,
Yeah.
first 10, I have two things. The first thing.
ارفع صوتك مش سامع.
Oh my god. Teacher, now.
Yeah.
Teacher, I want to say something. I
Yeah.
have two things to tell you.
Yeah.
The first thing that we are not grade 1 or KG.
Yeah. So you are what? You are like 3 years old?
Oh my god. We are grade 4. We're 9 years old.
Okay. Okay.
The second thing that in Saturday we will repeat everything we took today,
Yeah.
and not in the small numbers, in the big numbers.
No, we will review the whole book.
The
Not
whole?
the whole book. We will review the lessons that they are.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah,
Yeah.
the lessons that we are taking in the test.
Exactly.
So we're gonna revision them all and then
Yes.
finish.
Yes.
Okay, so the class will take 50 minutes just.
Yeah, I will make it so quick because many things you know it already. Just a review, a quick review. Okay, it's a quick refreshment. Okay, let's see.
Okay.
مين عنده سؤال؟ مين كان رافع ايده؟ خالد، يلا يا خالد.
وأخيرا بعد انتحار إيدي الاثنين بعدين هو
طيب يلا بسرعة في غيرك طبعا.
حصة الريفيو تبعت الماث كملتها
شو مالها؟
وقت
مثل الحصة العادية 40 minutes.
40 minutes.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I will miss you.
Thank you so much. I'll miss you too. Wait يا رام. It's me عبد الرحمن.
Teacher, at what time the exam will start it?
I'm not sure, but maybe it will be like at 10. At 10 morning.
Okay.
Okay? Thank you. Yes, Yusuf. After Yusuf, Ahmed.
What time is the class that is Saturday?
I don't know yet. I will see you at Friday. Okay?
Make it at 5 p.m.
I will try that. يلا احمد بعد احمد استنى شوي بعد احمد عبد الله بعد عبد الله محمد ناصر يلا يا احمد.
يا أستاذ يعني اليوم السبت بدك تعطينا على الساعة 5.
I don't know which time. I will tell you at Friday.
اليوم الأحد
Exam maybe it will be at 10. Okay?
بس اليوم الأحد راح نمتحن فيه.
يوم الأحد امتحانك الساعة 10 راح يكون.
طيب ماشي. I will miss you.
Thank you so much أحمد. I will miss you too. أرام then عبد الله then محمد يلا.
No need to study.
You should study. You must study.
You're making for us revision.
Yeah, it's a revision for 40 minutes. You need to study. It's math exam. If I have a math exam, I will study for like a week. Okay?
Okay.
وين راح عبد الله؟ عبد الله وين راح عبد الله؟ وين راح عبد الله؟ عبد الله طلع؟ يس محمد ناصر.
Teacher.
Yeah.
Zoom. I don't want to ask the question.
Okay. Thank you. So.
Teacher.
Yes.
In Zoom, it
Yes.
will be.
Yeah. Like this one. Yes عبد الله. بسرعة يلا ما ضل معنا وقت. يلا.
طيب بدي أسألك يعني الامتحانات هسه لما نبلشها يعني ما في حصص معها بس خلاص.
لا بس خلاص هاي فاينل اكزامز ما في حصص خلاص اليوم آخر يوم حصص.
أبو أستاذ حاول إنه يوم الجمعة لما تعطينا حصة حاول يعني خليها على 11 12.
هي يوم السبت راح تكون الحصه، وراح اعملها متاخره شوي، ما راح اعملها بكير عشان تناموا. انا عارف شو بدكم تناموا. اوكي طيب ماشي.
ننام
اوكي.
نرتاح.
I will try that. Thank you, Abdullah. Yes, Jawad. After Jawad Malak.
Teacher, I will miss you.
Thank you so much. I will miss you too. I will miss you so much. Question?
Teacher, can I leave?
Huh?
Can I leave?
No, wait. You can't. Stay with us.
خلصنا الحصة.
Stay. Yes, Malak.
Teacher, are you hearing me now?
Yeah.
Okay. Teacher, so it's in when our vacation starts, maybe we will play the game. Maybe
Maybe.
we'll play games.
Yeah. Wait for it.
I can't.
Let's finish the exams now, then we can make a deal. Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
A question? Any question? Any question? So that's it for yes, ya Khalid.
تيتشر
Yeah.
بدك تبعث لنا يوم الجمعة ميت حصة الزوم يوم السبت.
Excellent. Yeah. Okay.
يعني جاوبت على جواب.
Yeah. Yes, ya Omar.
Teacher, how are you gonna do a review on Saturday?
How? What do you mean by how?
How? I know, but it's like a weekend. Why will you do that?
I will do that for you, so you can remember everything. And I will tell you how the questions in the exam will be.
Really?
Yeah, that's
Okay,
it.
which time?
Which time?
You repeat the same question.
Which time? Yeah,
I don't know yet. I want to see when I can do it, and I will send you at Friday which time will be. But don't worry, it won't be like this time. I will let you sleep.
Anyway, he wakes up early.
Thank you.
I wake up on 8 o'clock.
Thank you, teacher علي. يعطيك ألف عافية ما قصرت.
الله يعافيك يا رب. الله يسعدكم. شكرا كثير. Yes, Aram. We have 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes. يلا بسرعة.
First, I wake at 6 a.m.
Great.
I didn't sleep. I play with the telephone.
Wow. You're so strong. Okay, now we're done. If you have any question at any time, call me. Okay.
Okay.
From today, you start study for the exam. It's a math exam, so you need to study hard. Okay. Start studying, and if you have any question, call me anytime. Okay. If you have any question about anything, call me anytime you like. Okay.
What about 4 a.m.?
What?
What about 4 a.m.?
Yeah, it's okay. Call me. If I answer you, that's okay. If I don't, I will sleep. Okay? So that's it for today. Inshallah, I will see you on Saturday, and I will tell you كل عام وانتم بخير. Take care and study hard for the exam, okay? Bye, everyone. Have a good day.
Bye. Peace out.